I hope you guys are all safe and following all the safety protocols. In this video, I just wanted to share my experience of the technical writing course which is being offered by Henry Harvin. Now, why did I choose technical writing? The main reason for this is because it's one of those jobs which is in high demand in today's market. And this is because technical writing basically deals with documentation. And we all know that documentation communicates the key aspects of any business or a service or the product to the target audience. This makes technical writing an integral part of any business, any product, or any service, irrespective of which sector the product, the business, or service is operating in. That is why I chose technical writing. Why did I choose Henry Harvin and not any other institute? Well, the brochure which they provided to me was very attractive and well written. The course breakdown was very brief and precise, and it contains all the required information which a learner is looking for before joining any course. Their onboarding process is also very smooth and hassle-free. I have been attending their online instructor-led live classes for the last 2 days, and my experience has been really awesome. On the first day, we were given insight on what is technical writing, what is the significance of technical writing, what is the role of a technical writer in an organization. On the second day, we were given more insights on the different aspects of technical writing and also a live example of one of the documents which was being prepared for a customer was demonstrated to us. Apart from this, the main takeaway point from both these sessions have been the quality of the trainer. The trainer, Mr. Udupi, is very insightful and knowledgeable, and he is a very experienced player in the technical writing field. He has vast experience of writing different types of documents for different customers across various sectors. Yet he is very polite and he has this knack of explaining even very complex things in a very simple way so that even a person who is a complete newbie in technical writing can pick up on all the various terms and jargons which are being used in technical writing. So far, my experience with the training has been excellent and I'm eagerly waiting for more sessions from Mr. Udupi. He also keeps his sessions very interactive and very engaging, and you will never feel bored at any point in time during a session. So anybody who's aspiring to jump into technical writing, who wants to pursue a career in technical writing, or who want to transition into technical writing, or who want to upskill themselves, I would strongly recommend Henry Harvin because of the content or the quality of their material which they are providing as a part of their training, and also an excellent trainer who's delivering the content to you. Bye, and please be safe.